Okay, check it. Time to show you what my baby can do. According to me, the Triumph Street Triple R 765 is the best midweight naked bike out there. Obviously, I'm a bit biased. But think about it. If I wasn't, why is the same engine used in Moto 2 World Championship? This here replaces the Street Triple S in 2020, a liquid cooled inline 3 giving out about 120 brake horsepower and 79 Nm of torque. The long handlebars on this make this as agile as possible to cut through traffic, a very light and nimble machine as precise as a surgical scalpel. A small demonstration in front of you, more of that ahead. One of the smoothest bikes I've had the pleasure of riding. Well, not better than a Honda, of course. But it's like if KTM had a baby with a Kawasaki, probably. Brutal and aggressive like a KTM with close to Japanese refinement. It's got everything you could possibly need. Riding modes, up and down quick shifter, auto blipper, fully adjustable suspensions by Showa, Brembo M4 calipers with dual channel ABS, and guess what? Weighs only about 170 kgs. And above 7k RPM is where the magic truly happens. She comes proper alive. That engine sounds magnificent. Seamless gear shifting. Oh lord. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now so y'all can actually listen to the engine for a bit. Also, there's something that's been on my mind for since a while now. Would like to take this opportunity to ask drivers and people in general to not be a freaking idiot like this guy. Please do the bare minimum of using indicators. That's the tiny black lever behind your steering wheel. Please try not to make our roads any more of an obstacle course. Our government is already doing a great job at that. And that's probably where I put too much weight on the camera's mount, and that's where it let go. Pretty cool footage, don't you agree? For a camera falling off at 170 plus speed, the camera was completely safe, but the case shattered, obviously. A very good quality case on this camera falling off at such a speed and still being okay. If you liked watching the video and listening to me yap, please do subscribe, share, and like. It really does help. Thank you.